people. So considering my channel, when I set it up, it was mostly a product review channel. So after long, I plan to review this product, Chandrika Ayurvedic soap. And really, yeah, those of us who have sensitive skin, it's like a journey to find the right kind of like among soaps. I've realized Pears, that soap is really, it's sensitive, easy on the skin. But if you want something slightly more I like to wash off my own clothes also, like so then a soap like Chandrika is good. It's got 9 different oils in it. Yeah, it's an Ayurvedic soap. So really, people, no, the reason I'm saying this is most of the time we tend to use these very hardcore cosmetic type brands, but Ayurvedic brands is something that they need our attention and patronage. So really, people, so all the mallus out there, especially, you all already know of Chandrika, the Ayurvedic soap. But if you all want good skin, just stick to these natural herbal based things. So lots of gyan for one video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.